Hello everyone, now I'm going to show you how you can edit the profile from Vawsum. You will have to log in with the credentials first and then you will have to press Auto Beta. Now you will be redirected to a new page where on the left hand side corner you will have to choose on to student. If you want to edit a student's profile, you will see a new page comes up with the student's details. Now, when you scroll on to the left, then the second option you see is edit. From here, you will be able to edit any student's details. Now, so if you want to change his class, section, or you want to enter a new phone number. Once you complete editing, you will have to update it. So this is how you update a student's profile. Thank you.